Welcome to clickmeproject.com. Our project title is a multi-interface multi-channel routing protocol for wireless ad hoc networks. Abstract. Ensuring quality of service for each communication is important in wireless ad hoc networks. Single network may give less quality of services. For achieving better QoS in wireless ad hoc networks, propose a multi-interface multi-channel routing protocol which consider the quality of service parameters such as throughput, end-to-end delay, and energy utilization as a single unified cost metric, and identifies the route that optimizes the cost metric and balances the traffic among the channels on a per flow basis. Our proposed system provides 30% faster and delay-free transmission compared to existing MOLSR. Let us see the flow of our project. First, network is formed. Then we have to do the random mobility. There is our process is wireless ad hoc networks. So all the nodes in mobility. Then we have to found the route discovery. There is MMCR protocol is implemented. If the route discovery is validated, we have to select the relay node depending upon the routing table information. If the node which has the distance is less than compared with the another node, we have to taken this that node as relay node. Then the transmission done via that relay nodes, and the evaluation is done based upon 4 parameters. First one is energy, second one is packet delivery ratio, third one is end-to-end delay, fourth one is throughput. Let us see the output of our project. First, open the terminal window in VMware operating system. So type the code folder, that is cd space code, then type ns space main.tcl for running our tcl file. This shows our routing table informations. This is our NAM window, that is a network animator window. When we start on this play forward button, it will works. This is for simulation time. We have to increase this speed or decrease it. This is for simulation ending time. So all the nodes in mobility. So now our network is formed. Now the communication is done via the relay nodes. Node which have the less distance is taken as relay node, and the transmission is done accordingly. So link between 1 and 2, the bandwidth of 10 megabits per second. So TCP connection, we use a TCP connection for data communication, that is a transmission control protocol, and we have to send 1060 bytes at time 46.5. For running our graph file, type xgraph space thr.xg. So this is our throughput. This is our proposed system throughput. So in that this we have to increase our throughput, that is number of successive packets at time. So we achieve greater throughput, that is quality of service parameter, than the existing system.